So like the.
This is a dream.
It's not like we don't like each other. It's okay. You don't have to apologize.
The ordinary world.
Walk.
The ordinary world. Stingray.
Come on, guys, let's just play. We almost have to go to dinner soon. Let's just play. Guys, come down for dinner.
Oh,
Okay. We gotta go.
Coming.
Want to come with me? Can I bring you?
No.
That was close. I'm being squished by a fat man. I'm being squished by a fat man. Please help me.
What happened?
No, I'm being squished by a fat man. No.
What happened to Aona? I don't know.
The human is gone. The human is gone.
Why didn't she let me take her to the dinner table? I need to eat. I need to eat.
What the fuck?
And then,
The human's coming back. The human's coming back.
oh no, hide. We're dead.
Human's coming back. Human's coming back.
Didn't I put him over there?
Wasn't what?
I put him over there.
Oh, he must have rolled by accident. Did I leave a window open? What did I come back here to get?
No,
Oh, right.
that window's closed.
Oh well.
No.
Okay,
I
guys.
put that over here. It was over there.
Here's your food. Just like eat it. Here's your food.
Let's see what happens if I drop this on the ground.
Okay.
Oh, that hurt.
Did you hear something? Let's just put it under bottles.
Yes, push it, it's that man. Jump on the bed, quick.
We gotta leave. We gotta leave now.
Quick.
Go, 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 go. Come on. We gotta leave. We gotta leave. We gotta leave. Okay, is everyone out?
Yeah.
Thanks, you blew our cover.
You saw me.
Well, she made me. Ow! Violence is never the answer. Violence is never the answer. Violence is never the answer. No. The human's coming. The human's coming.
Sorry. Guess you want me?
Mom, they're right here. Girls, please stop. I'll tell you what.
Look, watch this. Watch
Okay.
this.
Girls, stop. Girls, first thing in the morning, I will take them to the dump, and you have to deal with them. Okay.
Hello, human.
Nice going. Why would you say hi to a human? Why would you say hi to a human? Why would you say hi to a human?
You said violence is never the answer.
Oh, The human's coming! Okay, act like this never happened, okay? Okay, everyone get in your positions now. Position. Okay. Guys, I think that was a misunderstanding. Maybe they're not alive.
Aw, you're cute. Yeah, you too.
He is mine!
No,
Mine! Lunch!
It's a savannah. How's that supposed to hurt?
Can't get me up here.
I have a knife!
No, you don't.
I have a knife!
Get off of me, Ella.
I'm getting rid of all you humans once and for all!